Hey everyone, welcome back to the program. I'm Brian, this is Coin View, and this is a special edition 1971S double die. This coin in particular is special because if you look at it, I don't see a double die, 1971S. That's all I see. But let's put it underneath a microscope. There it is, 1971S. Not only is the date, but the mint mark is a double die. Let's take a little closer look at Liberty. The Y, it's a little doubling on that as well. We'll head up to in We. Look at that double die. Up on the W, it's doubled. There's the backside. It's not looking too bad. You know, I can't express the importance of looking up close because, as you can see, the 1971S, as it was far away, you couldn't see it until you brought it up like this. So always check your coinage under a higher powered microscope. About 525 million of these coins were produced, but only a few that came out as double dies like this. Well, that'll about wrap it up for another version. Special edition, 1971S double die. Hey, wherever you go, whatever you do out there, be careful and may God bless.